Okay, we're avoiding some of the weather. Hopefully I can get it done this week, but this is what's happening this week. I'm all set up. Tarps, trailer. It's time to take those old shingles off. Okay, so the first step into doing this is safety. We have our rope and harness for fall protection. And this is a 12-5. For every 12 inches, drops 5 inches. So that's pretty close to 45 degrees. So, keeping your safety in mind, we're gonna put on a harness and rope. We're gonna anchor it down here. That's a roof joist right there. So I'm gonna make sure my screws go in to that roof joist on both sides. And obviously a few extras here and there to anchor that rope. That's our first step. Oh man, I sure hope I can get this done this week. It's supposed to be nice all week. Should tear off pretty easy though. Again, I got the trailer set up down there. Alright, let's get started. I got my harness here. Let's throw this over there. We're connected. Last we left off, I stripped the roofing shingles off, and there was no chance of rain in the forecast for the week, and they changed it to rain Wednesday, which it didn't. Well, it drizzled, I guess. Anyway, long story short, I didn't get up there. All I had time was put a big ass tarp on it. Yeah. So today, in order to do some of these smaller projects, I'm moving those windows to the, I cut that in, you know, or out, and I'm moving the windows from the inside to the outside and getting it all, well, you know, sealed up, installed. That's today. Hopefully I can get on this next week. I don't know if I showed you. I'm pretty sure I didn't. But there was some rot right up in this corner. So I'm going to have to take that, cut out about 4 feet, and get a new piece of ply. And I'll get a new piece of ply, put it on there. Libby, you're kind of blocking my shot, dude. Hey, don't be dropping my nails and crap. Listen to me. You silly cat. Libby's my buddy. You've been with me for a while now, haven't you, boy? Up there on the roof when you were smaller, climbing ladders. Get your butt, come over here and turn around. Get your butt out of this camera lens so they can see you. Yeah. Okay, I got things to do, bud. I got things to do. I didn't put the wedges in there. Let's go. Put the laser level on it to get her same height. And make sure it's plumb. And it is the same height. Touches there and touches here. And now we'll check for plumb. And it's right along that seam. So I'm going to say that is plumb and square. Beautiful thing. Okay, that finishes that part. There's another item done on the list. And we got it all sealed. We seal it from the bottom up, overlap that so that when it rains or if water gets in it, comes down, just like shingles in the house. But in this case, I could not nail this because of the, we hit an empty spot between the sheeting boards. But what I did was you're not supposed to put tape on the bottom because you want the water to come out. So what I did was I just left this gap open here, so if water does get behind that, we can come out this side instead of the inside. I did it on both the windows, you can't see that. And these corners, left them open. It shouldn't be a problem, really. But these windows are in.